mistakes are part mistakes can be a part of every life of every people's life. If there's no mistake, life will be boring and it's not it's just not boring, but life is not worth to live in. I am here to tell you the three biggest mistakes that changed my life and taught me a valuable lesson. My first mistake is that talking back to my parents, saying bad words, doing rebellious things to them. At first, my mind is not mature, and I think talking back to my parents is fun. But as I grow older, I realize that doing such childish things cannot make me a good person. Second one, second mistake is that I'm not sensible enough to value other people's feelings. I instill I instill childish my childish attitude to others, even in their bad times. That that makes them piss me, it makes them angry at me, and at, it makes me sad that
Tagal eh.
when they are people angry at me because of that attitude. And the third is that not when I did not take my studies seriously. I take a laid back. I'm a laid back person, not serious enough to take my studies seriously. But as I grow old, I must value my studies because my parents are the one who makes me go to school.
Ano yan?
To sum things up,
Yung tatak lang.
three mistakes that give me
Rockstar.
that taught me a valuable lesson is that do not talk back to your parents.
Hindi makita, large daw nakikita ko.
Be sensitive enough to people's feelings and be a serious one. So, may I ask you, may I ask you, what mistakes in your life that give you a valuable lesson?